everyone, Motor Rally here, and today we're going to be doing the Project Sparkle finale. We've got this badge here, right, the D badge finally. We've done both the front one and the steering wheel one, and now it's time to do this badge. What I believe this is, I believe this one's like the other badges on the back and it's glued on, right? So first things first, what I have noticed is if we lift it up a little bit, there's a little thing in between which I can get my nail on and I can pull it off, so it doesn't look like I need to actually take off anything from the inside, right? But first thing we need to remove this with the hairdryer, right? And then I believe to heat up some glue underneath and then pry it out. But yeah, so let's get straight on to do it. Let's go. You need a microfiber cloth, some white spirit, craft knife, a flathead screwdriver, and a trusty hairdryer or heat gun or whatever. So we've got this badge off now. To my surprise, we've actually got quite a lot of glue. So guys, we have completed Project Sparkle. Look how sick it looks. Like, this one's actually stuck in properly. Like, this is the only one that's stuck in properly. Big up BRGraphics, this looks amazing. Like, now this looks like it's part of the car now, instead of extruding out. That's it guys, this has been Motor Rally and we've actually done our first project. Project Sparkle is completed. I'm a bit gassed about it, not gonna lie. It's actually pretty sick that I've managed to complete my first fully project. But yeah, we've got some more projects on the way for this car, but obviously they're gonna take quite a long time to actually get here because yeah, it's gonna take a longer time. Hope you guys like this series project thing. And I hope you guys learned something from this, and I'll see you guys in another video. Pow.